Mabuhay! Ako po si Ebe Dancel and this is FHM Sessions. I'm a creature of habit So I still listen to Moon River. Lots of versions of Moon River nahanap ko sa Spotify. And one of my all-time favorite songs is God Only Knows by the Beach Boys. I listen to a lot of the Beatles now since they became available on Spotify. And may isang function yung Spotify called Discover Weekly. Intuitive siya They take note of like songs you listen to and then they find related material and then the next week yun na. Pinapalitan, refresh nila yung playlist for you every week. So it's basically for lazy people like me. This next song I wrote a decade ago. It's had so many versions already. First was Sugar Freeze. And then KZ Tandingan had their version. And then most recently, Gary V. The version of this song that they use for the show, Ang Probinsyana. Alright, naalala ko na. And for my new album, I decided to record a version with my good friend KZ Tandingan. And then we were backed up by strings. But obviously, she's not here tonight. La 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 la. Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ako ang iyong bangka. Magalit man ang alon ng panahon, sabay tayong aahon. At kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa'kin, kumapit ka sa'kin, dahil di kita bibitawan. Huwag ka nang umiyak, mahaba man ang araw, ay uuwi ka sa yakap ko. At huwag mo nang damdamin kung wala ako sa iyong tabi. Iiwan kong puso ko sa'yo. At kung ang pakiramdam mo ay wala ka nang kakampi, isipin mo ako dahil ang puso't isip ko ay nasa iyong labi. Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang magkapitan, kumapit ka sa'kin, kumapit ka sa'kin, dahil di kita bibitawan. Hindi mo lang alam na hindi kita pababayaan. Hindi kita pababayaan. Oh,
kita